while there is still snow on the ground, it is almost spring. And that means it's almost time for CodeBEAM America. Next week, there are going to be a fantastic set of keynotes, talks, and really exciting, a whole series of interesting fireside chats. I hope you can come join us and have a fantastic time. I will be giving my sequel talk on Sound on Beam, coding for generative music in Erlang and LFE. Special focus will be on OTP, supervision trees, TCP servers, clients, UDP servers and clients, the whole gamut. Should be a lot of fun. See you then.